Hi, I'm Liz and I'm the creator of the Mubbles. Welcome to the Isle of Smile. So I'm going to show you how to do a drawing of a character, one of the Mubbles, called Pop. Yeah, Pop. So for this, you'll need pencil, rubber, black pen, and some things to colour with. I'm using these great big thick markers, but you can use anything you've got, like crayons or pencils or colouring pens or felt tip pens, anything you have. And you might need a little pencil as well. Okay, let's get drawing. So I'm going to start with Pop's ears, and they're just up here. So it's almost like you're drawing an M. One on that side, and one that side, and join them up like that. Lines. Go one line down the other side, and then Pop's arms are going to be either side. And 3 fingers, so it's 1, 2, 3. Same on the other side. 1, 2, 3. Pop singing. And then follow your line all the way down to the bottom, 3 feet, like that. And don't worry about making a mistake. I always make mistakes. Same here, I've got a line all the way down, and then we're going to make Pop's foot slightly off the ground. So that's 1, 2, 3, and then just join up. Yeah, so there's Pop's body. Then Pop has one big eye, big circle there, and then one smaller eye on the side, other side, and draw a little nose. You can leave a little white spot there. And then draw a line down, and let's draw Pop's mouth. Slightly curved line like that, and then a bigger curved line. Then Pop has one tooth. So colour the mouth in. Right, Pop's also has a few spots. On there, on there, on the foot. Always have to remember the right places to put them, I always forget. On there. Don't worry if you don't put them in the right places. Okay, now let's draw Pop's eyes. Okay, next to Pop, let's draw a Wibble. So Wibble is doing exactly the same thing as Pop is. Same arms, so little ear, another one there. And then their paws are outstretched. They have slightly different shaped. They have like a thumb and a little paw. Like that. And then their bodies. And then same thing, so Wibble's got its leg off the ground like that. And one on the ground like that. Joining up. So one big eye, one smaller one, little nose, leaving the little white bit in the middle, And then smiley mouth with one tooth. Let's colour them in now. So I'm going to use yellow for Pop, pointy end there, and that's good for colouring in the fingers and the ears. So I'm going to use the thick end now, just to colour in Pop's body. Okay, Pop's all coloured in, and Pop has orange spots, so let's colour those in next. And we're going to let's colour the Wibble in blue. Okay, that's Pop coloured in, Wibble coloured in. Oh, now, mustn't forget. See, they're singing. So let's draw some music notes. A little black dot like that. Well, it's more like an egg shape, oval shape. Then you draw a straight line. Yeah, that's how you draw a little music note. Or you can do double one. I wonder what they're singing. Something fabulous. One over here. Okay. Right, last but not least, you can take a pencil or a crayon. I'm just going to add a bit of shading underneath. Makes them look like they're standing on the ground. And actually, just a little bit of a wobble with the Wibble. There you go. Isn't that great? Look, there they are, Pop and Blue Wibble singing a song and just generally looking very happy and gorgeous, just like your drawings will. Have fun!